What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am here with another big body banger, man. You already know the vibes. And in this video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to sound professional on the phone. Yes, I had to do an in-person video. I know y'all be liking the little screen recording videos I be doing, but in this video, I'm about to be showing y'all how I actually get down in the studio.
Hey, why you do that, bro?
Now, I call this a mobile studio because you can actually take this anywhere you want. What I recommend is you being in a quiet room though. Make sure you in a quiet room. You know, you don't want too much noise in the background because, you know, if you got background noise, it's gonna mess up the quality of your song. You don't want none of that. Don't mind my setup. I've been moving, so you know I'm just trying to get my room right. But hey man, without further ado, before we get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Like, subscribe, and comment, man. You already know the vibes. And we about to hit 2,000 subscribers. You're like 20 subscribers away, man. So I appreciate all my supporters. But without further ado, man, let's get into this video, gang. All right, so now that we got my phone right here, and basically I'm finna just throw these on. You can use any type of headphones. I know I'll be using the white headphones too, but in this video I'm gonna be using these. I highly recommend using a mic like these because they're like, you know, it gives you that high quality, you feel me, vibe. And you can get cheap ones, expensive ones, it really just depends. But I'm about to be showing y'all how to sound high quality and professional on BandLab. Let's get it. All right, so how I get my track in, there's two ways. You can either go to your files and do it, or just import it from your track this way. So I just go to import track and then go to more, and then I'm gonna be using the Y&J type beat. Wait for that to load. Yeah, man, but in this video I'm gonna be showing y'all how to just sound crispy, like no cap, man. I know how to get them crispy vocals. All right, so before you do anything, I advise you to duplicate these and just get like 4 or 5 of them, just in case you punch in. I don't think I can move this right here. Ooh, my bad. Excuse me. All right, let's hear how the beat is. Let's hear how the beat's sounding. Hey, this beat go crazy. This beat go hard. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a custom preset, and in a custom preset I'm gonna throw a ooh, my bad, excuse me. I'm gonna throw a noise gate on here, turn that up on max, get that studio reverb, and what else? I'm gonna throw I'm pretty sure they have a compressor on here. Yep, BandLab compressor. Now I'll just turn that gain up a little bit. I don't want my mix to sound too bad. I'm about to switch it over to the mic so y'all can hear it, so let's do it. Hey, yeah. All right, so we got our custom. And hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. See what the BandLab compressor does is it just give me that hey, you know, it give me the peak reduction feature and the gain feature, so I can just turn my mic up. This is how I talk into the mic. I don't go directly in it like this because okay, too much reverb. I don't go like directly in the mic like this because I don't want it to like sound like I'm ear raping, but I just have it like hovering over it, not too far from it, you know. Or I like talk to the phone like this, but that don't always work, so that's why I prefer this is the best way to do it. You'll sound dope. No cap, man. No cap. Free studio. Stop playing. No cap. But now that we got everything on there, do a little reverb on there, not too much. Hey, there you go. And I'm about to just punch in. Let's get it.
Energy made this one.
Hey, you don't know about my making plays back to back shift. Hey, hop up in that whip. I'ma do the dash. Hopping in this. Hey, why it sound like that? Like, hey, yeah, hey. Kind of sound like air rapey. I'm gonna turn that down a little bit. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. You don't know about my pain, you see? Hold on. See, now when I rap, I got the charger connected right now, so excuse me. Kind of messing up right now, but I'm gonna show y'all how I rap in it. Hey, look, yeah, I'm not playing. This is not a game, no, I'm not playing. Blowing on these cooks, yeah, I'm elevating. FMJ on the clip, yeah, it's penetrating. Really am I? What? Really am I? Get you kicking like a dojo. You don't even know my mojo. Hold on, little nigga, I'm like, hold on. Curdy boy up in this thing, and I'm not playing, nigga. Power up in the booth like Super Saiyan, nigga. This is not a game, nigga, I'm not playing, nigga. Hold on, hoping it don't escalate, my nigga. Damn, there's two ways, give it fate, my nigga. Why they hate, my nigga? Yeah, I'm stacking the cake, my nigga. Yeah, 10 out of 10, get the rate, my nigga. I don't want your boo, don't want to date, my nigga. Yeah, I'm just stacking the cho. And I ain't worried about this bitch, I might have to let her go. Goddamn, Eskimo, yeah, I'm feeling cold. You already know, Jay's on me and they retro. Damn, hold on. I'm just messing around, freestyling, but I'm just showing y'all how to rap in the mic. You see, I ain't like get too into it. I just kept it like right here, and I did my little thing, you know. But I'm finna throw my ad libs in. So let's hopefully are we still screen recording? Still screen recording. I'm about to just put this ad lib on. So what I use is hype box. And it's a lot of extra stuff on it. So I take off dimension. I take off Desert, or however we say that. I take off Vibe 2. And then I put that noise gate all the way up. Hey. And I turn it up a little bit. And then boom. Perfect. High quality studio ad lib. Let's go.
Energy made this one.
Hey, let's get it. Hey, look, yeah, I'm not playing. This is not a game, no, I'm not playing.
I'm not.
Blowing on these cooks, yeah, I'm elevating.
I'm what?
FMJ on the clip, yeah, it's penetrating. Really am I?
What?
Really am I?
What?
Get you kicking like a dojo. You don't even know my mojo. Hold on, little nigga, I'm like, hold on. Curdy boy up in this thing. Oh my gosh, I'm not even recording. Let's record.
What?
Hey, look, yeah, I'm not playing. This is not a game, no, I'm not playing.
I'm not playing.
Blowing on these cooks, yeah, I'm elevating.
What?
FMJ on the clip, yeah, it's penetrating. Really am I? Really am I? Get you kicking like a dojo. You don't even know my mojo. Hold on, little nigga, I'm like, hold on. Curdy boy up in this thing, I'm not playing, nigga. Power up in the booth like Super Saiyan, nigga. This is not a game, nigga, I'm not playing, nigga. Hold on. Hoping it don't escalate, my nigga. Damn, there's two ways, give it fate, my nigga. Why they hate, my nigga? Yeah, I'm stacking the cake, my nigga. Yeah, 10 out of 10, get the rate, my nigga. I don't want your boo, don't want to date, my nigga. Yeah, I'm just stacking the cho. And I ain't worried about this bitch, I might have to let her go. Goddamn, Eskimo, yeah, I'm feeling cold. You already know, Jay's on me and they retro. Damn, hold on. Alright, so we got the ad libs. I'm about to add I'm about to just mess around right here and throw the delay on here. With the delay, never mind, I'm gonna take the delay off. I'm gonna put this up all the way and just turn it down a little bit, and then like background the voice, so just to give it that, you know, fuller effect, make it more full.
Energy made this one.
Hey, young one, look.
What?
Hey, look. Yeah, I'm not playing. This is not a game, no, I'm not playing.
I'm not playing.
Blowing on these cooks, yeah, I'm elevating.
What?
FMJ on the clip, yeah, it's penetrating. Really am I? Really am I? Get you kicking like a dojo. You don't even know my mojo. Hold on, little nigga, I'm like, hold on. Pretty boy up in this thing, I'm not playing, nigga. All up in the booth like Super Saiyan, nigga. This is not a game, nigga, I'm not playing, nigga. Hold on, hoping they don't escalate, my nigga. Damn, there's two ways getting fake, my nigga. Why they hate my nigga? Yeah, I'm stacking the cake, my nigga. Yeah. I don't wanna overdo it. Yeah, I don't wanna overdo it, but let's get that. Let's hear it for the final time, and we're gonna close the video off. And hey.
Energy made this one.
Hey, look, yeah, I'm not playing. This is not a game, no, I'm not playing. Blowing on these cooks, yeah, I'm elevating. FMJ on the clip, yeah, it's penetrating. Really am I? Really am I? Get you kicking like a dojo. You don't even know my mojo. Hold on, little nigga, I'm like, hold on. Pretty boy up in this thing, I'm not playing, nigga. All up in the booth like Super Saiyan, nigga. This is not a game, nigga, I'm not playing, nigga. Hold on, hoping they don't escalate, my nigga. Damn, there's two ways getting fake, my nigga. Why they hate my nigga? Yeah, I'm stacking the cake, my nigga. Yeah, 10 out of 10, get the rate, my nigga. I don't want your boo, don't want to date, my nigga. Yeah, I'm just stacking the choke. And I ain't worried about this bitch, I might have to.